Hi and welcome to yet another tutorial. My name is Carolina and today I'll show you how to make this cute bikini bottom using my new swim pattern called Daisy. You can buy this pattern from my shop on Etsy and I'll leave link in the description if you want to check it out. To start, fold the waist strap in half and pin it down. Sew the elastic to the straps using a zigzag stitch. Thanks to the elastic, the seam won't snap in the future. For this tutorial, I'm using 5mm wide elastic. Turn straps to the right side using a loop turner or a safety pin. Fold the seam allowance inside and top stitch the ends. Sew together the front and back panels on the crotch seam using a zigzag stitch. Place two panels together, right side to right side, and pin them down on the inseam. Sew the panels together with the elastic using a zigzag stitch. Then sew together the top edge using a zigzag stitch. Turn bikini bottoms to the right side through one of the side gaps. Then press the seams using an iron. To ensure that mine stays in place, I'll pin them down first. Then, top stitch the top edge by 1.5 cm. As the last step, insert the waist strap to the bikini bottoms channel at the front and at the back. Then tie a bow on the side and that's it, your perfect Daisy bikini bottom. Thank you for watching.